at Singapore City Gallery to find out more about Singapore's past, present and future.
We know what you're thinking, but wait, there's actually some really cool stuff inside. Let's go see. Wow, can touch one eh!
Stop it lah, don't spoil. Yeah, but actually quite interesting. You can like predict Singapore's future landscape.
Right?
Yeah. That's okay, we're actually going to Maxwell Food Centre now where challenge awaits us!
Let's go! Okay, so what's the challenge?
The challenge is to find the cheapest food. Winner gets dessert!
5 minutes later.
$1 only, $1 only! Who's giving me the dessert?
What's dessert? But anyways, do make sure to check out the URA gallery and Maxwell Food Court for a good time.